Hello, family. I've thought of an experiment I'd like to try, and it involves you and me. And it's about eye colour and its correlation to trades. It might just be a complete random direction. I don't know if this is going to have any good results or not, but it's worth an experiment because all it requires is that you leave 3 words in the comments section down below. So here's how it's going to work. There are typically about 6 colours of eyes: brown, hazel, blue, grey, green and amber. And the colour of your eye is determined by the presence of melanin in the eye, but the melanin is also partly present in the brain and acts as an insulator. So people with very dark brown eyes will tend to be able to make much more direct, high-speed decisions. And people with light-coloured eyes are more likely to take longer to get there. They're sort of generally slower and more thoughtful, but the end result is a much more complex. More has been actually taken into account. This is the theory anyway. So what I'd like you to do is leave 3 words down below. The first word will be the colour of your eyes. The second word will be your job or trade. It could be chef, cleaner, joiner, welder, plumber, IT administrator. The third word will be the country you live in. So here's an example. In my case, it would be, well, I think my eyes are grey. Grey, electrician, Scotland. Well, that's the country I was born in. I suppose it could be grey, electrician, Isle of Man. Or it could be hazel, mechanic, USA. So just leave those 3 words down below and then we can take a look at them and see, does the eye colour correlate to the trades? Let's find that out.